What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Exhilarated channel. So my car's been down. I have a timing issue, and right now I am just gonna adjust the valves. I'm not gonna show the whole process about the timing. It's a pain in the butt. But for right now, this is just the intro. I'm gonna skip to the next day because the valve adjustments you guys probably seen all over YouTube. Same with the timing. Not really gonna do that. But right now I'm just updating you guys on the car because it's been a while since I've uploaded anything. So basically on May 17th my car went down, alternator belt broke, then all of a sudden all kinds of problems came. My ECU went down, it got fried, I don't know how. Then my distributor, it was just causing issues, so the igniter was weak and everything else. So I decided to get a new distributor, got that, and now pretty much just doing the valve adjustment, making sure everything's all good to go, and then after that I'm gonna try to start it up and see how it works. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated and everything else. It's actually the next day. I had everything put back together and my car started just a little bit and then it shut off. So now I've got to triple check the cam timing because I feel like it's off. So I'm just gonna take this whole thing apart again, check the timing, but this time I'm gonna triple check today, like triple check, because I want this car up and running now. And it got so close yesterday, but I got so frustrated the fact that it was just cranking and cranking after it started one time and then shut off. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna redo everything and hopefully get this thing running again. So let me take this all apart and set the timing.
It's actually a pit over there.
Okay, guys, this is take number fucking 4. Finally got the crank pulley off. This is like the 3rd, maybe 4th day. Because if you guys know that Honda crank pulley is a bitch to remove sometimes, no matter how many times you crank. I got the special tool, use the air impact, use the electric impact, use breaker bars, and for the life of me, it would not break off until this guy came up through, and we've, I don't know, spent probably what, 40 minutes on it?
Yeah,
about 40 minutes on it, talking every now and then, and finally got it budged off. And now we're just stuck on the timing belt cover, trying to remove that. And once we get that removed, we're about to get through the whole rest of the way. And yeah, and after that, that thing should just come right off.
Yeah, I got it partially out.
But here, this is the pin I'm talking about that it's stuck on. Wait, are you shining the light on it?
Yeah.
Fucking camera. Oh, there you go. Just right there. That is right underneath the engine mount. And that is what's stuck. Oh, no, it's not no more. Dang, this guy unbolted my fucking crank pulley bolt. Got the tight spots out. Man, this guy really dedicated to engines now. Fucking mechanic over here. So now we're just gonna take that engine cover off and then we're good to go. Start to fix that timing. Okay, guys, what time is it? I don't got the time. What time is it? It is 12:21. And as you guys can hear, we got the fucking car to run. It was all the timing. We changed the ECU, it was blown, got the new one on, got the new distributor, and then we changed the timing all because of this guy. He finally helped pull off the crank pulley bolt that I could not pull off for 2 weeks, and I finally got it off. And as you can hear, it is running, it's purring. I'm so happy we got the car up and running. It is so late, I don't mean to wake up my neighbors, but man, it's just nice to see the car purring again, ready to hit the streets. Oh my god, thanks Oos. Thanks Oos. This is the homie Ollie, Oliver Ladaga. If you checked out my old YouTube, yeah, he's the one that crashed. I had to put it out there. He was the one that crashed. Twice. Nah, but in that video you saw the first time. He was only a 2-week driver at the time because we went to Hawaii after the 4 weeks you had the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was only his 2nd week driving ain't crashed. But damn, look at this. Now he crashes, he'll be able to fix his shit like he fixed mine. Fucking guy. Well, anyways, I'm glad I got the car back up and running. You guys are gonna see more YouTube videos again. Ollie's gonna be most likely in it now that I know he could help me out with this shit. Oh my god.
Because he doesn't know how to do shit.
Not no more. Not no more. This guy knows more than I do. Oh my god, this is incredible. Hey, don't fuck up my blind spot mirrors, guy. What are you doing? I had that aligned so I could check the bottom. So I could reverse park. Oh man. It is purring nicely. Check that out. Oh. I just gotta fix the distributor real quick and then tighten it all up. And we're good. We are good. Alright, again, thanks Zeus. Alright. And all you guys that have no start, no crank startup or a crank, no start issue, check your timing. After you check your timing, check for spark, fuel, all your regular compression and all that. But overall, my issues was multiple things just because something happened. The alternator belt broke, and after that, somehow the timing skipped 2-2, my distributor fried, and my ECU fried. So now I got a new one. But anyways, I'm letting this idle warm up. Once it's warmed up, I'm gonna shut it off and tighten everything down, and then see you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thanks again. Stay exhilarated. Do what you love. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next video.
I think you're low on blinker fluid.